What's up YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. Today I have this delicious shrimp bacon pasta recipe for you guys, so stay tuned. So here I have my shrimp. These are the jumbo shrimp that I am using. I seasoned them with some salt, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, and some paprika, and I left it to marinate for a little while, not more than about 10 to 15 minutes. For the pasta, I'm using the tricolor penne pasta. I boiled them for about 10 minutes in some salt water, and this is how they looked when they were ready. Okay, so to the frying pot, I add a tablespoon of butter and a drizzle of oil. Then I went ahead and fried my bacon on both sides until they were golden. They weren't as crispy as I wanted them to be, but they were still tasty and delicious. So after I was finished frying the bacon, I went ahead and I fried the shrimp. So I fried them for about 2 minutes on each side, because you know that shrimp are not supposed to be cooked for a very long time because they will get too gummy and chewy. So this is how they looked when they were finished. When they were finished, I went in with some garlic and some pepper. These are the only seasoning that I'll be using, but you can go ahead and use seasonings like bell pepper or sweet pepper, whatever else that you would like to add to it. I add the marinade from the shrimp to it, and then some heavy cream and some mozzarella cheese. So this is how it's looking so far. It is creamy. I could have gone ahead and eat it just as it is, but I went in with my bacon and I mixed it in, and then I add my shrimp, and this is how it's looking. And this is how it looked when it was finished. Some delicious shrimp bacon pasta. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.